Yeah. Our Speedy Gonzalez. Alright, so we're at the house. We're getting ready to go to the ranges. And yeah, the last time we played around with firearms, not really played around, but she was a baby. She was a little girl, and she used to shoot the BB guns in the basement. So it's time to get her with this live fire training. So she's working on these targets here, about 7 yards on the fridge. Oh yeah, and that one was a hit. So we're gonna be going out there, live fire. Alright, so Nadia back. Now we're at the 100-yard range. She's on her namesake. Say hello.
Hello.
You still have your microphone?
Yes, right here.
So,
hi.
Okay. Alright, look at the camera when you say hi. Alright, so with this one now, the bolt is locked to the rear, so keep your hand off the trigger. Good, we just dropped it. She's loaded, she's ready to go. So, what target are you shooting on? All the way out? You see the orange ones all the way out?
Let me see.
The body silhouette.
Yeah, I'm trying to find it.
Lower your gun, I think. Yeah, you're looking all the way out. Tell me when you find the orange body silhouette target. You're probably too high now.
Ugh. My arm is hurting.
Yeah, you ain't shoot yet, nothing yet. How your arm hurting?
I only want to shoot this one time.
Here, let me stop. Okay, we're recording. Tell me
I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. Okay.
The body silhouette? The orange body silhouette? Confirmation. Confirm. Tell me.
No, I cannot find it.
Tell me when you find the target. You just said there it is.
I know, and then I lost it.
Lower this down a little, and yes, because you're looking right here. I'm trying to get you to look out to 100.
No, but look through it. It's like I can't see. It's like something's in the way or something.
Nothing is in the way. You got to put your eye directly behind it. Raise your head up. Yes.
No, now I'm littler than you.
That's why I said raise your head up.
No, but right now I can see perfectly.
Good, good. Well, keep that in mind where your cheek is welded to the, yes. But you're going all the way out. You see it?
No, I'm only seeing the rock wall.
Well, then raise this up. No, put your face back where it was. Raise your entire body up.
Huh?
Now you're way too high. You're shooting into the ground. I was saying when you're seeing the rock wall, you just raise your body slightly to elevate the back of the gun.
Where the hell is this thing?
What are you seeing now? Tell me what you see.
I'm only seeing...
Put your face back where it was previously, or else you're not going to see it. You get a bunch of scope shadow.
That's what I told you, the scope shadow.
Yeah.
Oh, I found it.
Good. Brace yourself when you do it. Yes. Fire at will. Safety's on. Disengage your safety. No.
I don't know how to do that.
Safety. Safety. Yeah. All right.
It's loaded?
Yes. But make sure you're on your target before you work that trigger.
Yes.
Any day now. Yeah. Our Speedy Gonzalez. You hitting the body?
I'm hitting it?
Yeah, you are hitting. Good job. Keep going.
I like this one.
It don't break your nail.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
All gone. Oh man.
Well, they do run dry. So, insert your mag. So, all right, that's inserted. Drop your slide. No, hold your gun like you're gonna shoot. Thank you. Now push this to me.
This to you?
There. It's
Oh!
ready to go. It's easier. It's a lot easier than a handgun.
Yeah.
All right. Your stock is a little too high. Yep. So get comfy. When you locate your target, take your shot. Okay. You quick this time. You on the body silhouette? Mm-hmm. The orange one?
Yeah, my head.
Let me see you double tap. Oh, yeah. Doubles.
Look. Right there in the middle. I'm going to shoot it.
Ceasefire. Okay. Now move to the 3 targets. The one to the far, the one right next to the body silhouette.
Right here, the directly closest.
Yeah, the one right to the left of it. Mm-hmm. All right, dead center. You see the bullseye?
The head or the body?
The body. You see the bullseye in the body? Okay. Can you see your impact? I know you can see your impact.
Yes.
Yeah. So, yes. How you doing? You hitting the bullseye?
Close.
Close. All right. Just make your adjustment.
Oh, yeah, I know. It's like the exact same size as the 5.56. Yeah. Probably get a lot of free. Nah, no free ammo.
Let's do something a little closer. Let's try something. Take your hand off the trigger. Go for this right at the 25-yard, the one directly in front of you.
Okay.
The black one that hits. You see it? Tell me when you locate it. When you locate it, take your shot.
What do I have? What am I hitting? The black
Right in front
one?
of you, the 25-yard.
Or the yellow one?
Yes. Is that the yellow and black?
Yellow and blue. Oh, it's out.
Drop the mag, reload. Same thing. Keep your hand on the gun. Take this finger. Yeah, it's right on it. Just push it. Yeah. There you go. Same thing. Put your hand back on the gun with the other hand. Yeah. It's in. Drop the slide. Well, drop the bolt. Yeah. Easy, easy. Which one are you aiming at?
That black one with the red dots.
The one right next to these 6 yellows?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Got you.
Go cold for 1 second. My clip fell out of there.
Go ahead.
We gotta go cold for one.
Yeah, just 1 second. My clip fell out.
Hold up.
Everyone's cold.
Oh, okay.
Everybody's cold.
Yeah.
Real quick. That's it.
Okay. Range is hot.
Okay, go hot.
Get a proper grip on the weapon first before you squeeze. Get to the trigger. Yeah. Acquire your target first. Fire at will. Did you see where it impact?
No.
You holding on the left one or the right one?
Left one. I mean the right one.
Okay.
At the center seal.
Just go back out to the 100.
Okay.
Get your hand off the trigger till you acquire your target. Yeah.
The orange, the small orange and the other orange plate. Try it. Here, if you need a rest, fuck with the rest.
Take care, everyone.
Alrighty, have a good one. You might have to take your muscle up a little bit. Yeah.
Wait. Huh.
I'm not holding the gun for you.
My arm hurts.
Girl, keep the gun on your body. Don't yank the trigger. Remember, get to your wall. Just, yeah, gently. Double. Yeah. Good shot. You got that plate rocking there. I hope I could see that. Yeah, but yeah.
Done.